with the F200. I put a new tail motor on it, so we'll see how she flies. It's a slight breeze. It's about 74, 75 degrees out. Well, make sure everything's working before I take off. Alright, let's start her up. Hopefully she's good today. So far so good. My GPS kicked in just before I started this. Well, seems like she's doing well. A little bit of a tail wag. Well, she's flying pretty good. A little tail wag, huh? Seems to be flying well. The motor in the tail sounds a little different. Otherwise, yeah, she's flying pretty well. Nice little helicopter. It's a great copter for not really a beginner, but somebody that at least has flown something, because they can be quite dangerous. I mean, safety's the biggest thing. I mean, them blades can chop somebody up. So, really be good. Oh, and a nice breeze, and it's like it don't care. But yes, it's one of the best flying helicopters I've ever flown. The only thing that even come close was the V12. And that was by FW200 Toys, excuse me. And that was only a 4-channel. And it flew like this. I could get some wicked good height on it. Here I won't because on my yard. But yeah, it flies well. I don't know why I do that, but I even do it with my quads. I have no idea. Bad habit, I think. But I love how she just stops. Boom. Left and right. See how nice and smooth she is. Quad don't ever do that. Reverse, forward. Even screwing around with the thing, and I mean, you could see what I'm doing to this. It's a good helicopter. It's going to cost. I mean, they're in the $400 range. So, let me tell you that. Yeah. I have a lot of fun flying her. flying a helicopter, your orientation is always watch that nose. See, I'm watching that nose, and I'm steering the nose. That's what I'm doing. Same with quads. I'm always looking for the front. Steer the nose, because I always want to go forward. I don't want to be coming reverse. So many people always looking at that back end, and they're doing this, and they're doing that, and they're doing this, and they're pulling back, and they need to learn to go forward. Then turn, go forward. Turn, go forward. That's how you learn. Go forward. Turn, go forward, turn, go forward. It's easy to learn to fly if you just do simple rules. Anyway, let me bring this in. I'm going to go one more flight around. All right. And again, thanks for watching. I'm only out here messing around my F200. And subscribe to the channel if you got some time.